Hi, I'm Joe for Up on the Roof with My Pros Roofing. Today let's talk about what you should ask a roofing contractor before you hire them. Are you personally licensed? You always want to hire a roofing contractor that is licensed to install a new roof. The payment schedule. You never want to give a contractor any type of payment until after the building material has been delivered to your property. Also, you should request a lien waiver to be provided for after the work has been performed. You do not want to have a supplier or any employee of the roofing contractor to come back to you to file a lien on your property requesting additional payment. Also, what is a shingle brand? And the warranty. It should be 50-year shingle with a 10-year prorated period. Until next Monday, I'm Joe Metz for Up on the Roof with My Pros Roofing. For more information, go to our website at myprosroofing.com.